What up, YouTube? And you know what up? We back with another video. Just got a call about something that I've been waiting for, something that I've been interested in. I just so happened to find them, but I just got the call about them. So now we about to go check them out. Something that I've been waiting for Thanos. Something that I really been waiting for Thanos. And now the opportunity has presented itself. So now we get ready to go pick them up. Just stay tuned. All right? See what it look like when it rolls. Now I can go ahead and put the lip on. Oh yeah, appreciate that, bud. All right. Okay, yeah, I gotta get the hub switch going. Got that hub. Okay, yeah. I had another truck, but it was but I had big rims on it. And the dude at Partners, he put my when he go get the tires, he put the what's called on there, but on the front side, he didn't bolt it. He bolted it to the adapter, but he didn't bolt the adapter to the lug to the actual hub. Oh yeah. Yeah, once he fell off. Yeah, so they had to repaint the whole truck and stuff. Cause they had it's called exotic paint. It was like purple and it turned purple and blue. That's crazy. Yeah, and then I had I actually bought these rims right here for you. I thought about that. Yeah. Yeah, but the truck was black, but it's been a long time. Yeah, I still drive truck, so I don't really be. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I just remember like what's the truck shows and stuff like that. Yeah, I got to places on that. Yeah, stretch them out. Yeah. Those are already wide. Right. Plus I got a 6-inch lift. Yeah. All right, this is a 3 right here, but I'm going up with another 6. So yeah. Yeah. Appreciate that, bud. All right. I don't know if I showed you. All right, so we just picked them up. Let me let y'all get a little look at what they look like. Now we just spraying them off. They sold them both days. I got a few scars on them, but at the same time, you know, we can fix that. Tires don't look bad. Tires look really good on it. looking compared to how little those are. Yeah, so y'all know what's going on. Let me open this up. So we can get a better look at what's going on. Oh yeah, that looks crazy. Yep, so what we about to do now, as you can see, I white them down. Now we're just about to put them beside the truck just to see what they look like. Let's see.
I've been trying to live a spirit, time to times getting
Tell me what y'all think, guys. I think this is gonna be crazy. Lift's gonna be bigger. Truck gonna be lifted up higher. Yeah, we getting ready to do this thing bigger, baby. Yeah.